Good day children, welcome back to Vijayalakshmi's class of Smart English, and today what we are going to see is had been, has been and have been, right? Had comes for past, perfect tense, it may be perfect or participle, whatever it is. Had comes for past and have comes for present perfect. Have and has comes for present perfect. Right? Now let us know about been. Been comes for continuous tense, whether it is past tense or present tense, whatever it is. Been comes only for continuous tense. Verb plus ing. She is writing. She was writing. She will be writing. When continuous tense is given, then only you will just be using been. Right? Now let us go for the explanation for had been. See, when will had been come? When a work gets over in a proper manner. It started in a previous point and then it is getting continued and the work has got over and the next work has started. So at that time you will just be using had been. See, explanation for that is an action that started before a specific point. That is what I told you children. An action which started before a specific point in the past and continued up to that point. It continued but it got over. Something which got started, continued and got over, for that you will just be using had been. You can just have explanation like this also. Had been shows an ongoing or continuous action. That is what I told. Whenever been is given, you will just be going for ongoing action, that is a continuous action. An action or a state in the past that led up to another point or action which got concluded before another action occurred in the past. See, when an action gets continued and got concluded, you will just go for had been. There you will not use have been or has been. See, she had been working there for years before she quit. See, quit is another verb, right? So that time you have used had been. Why? Because she had been working there for some years, but now she is not there in the job. So at that time when an action got over, you will just be using had been. One more definition we can go. A continuous action that was in progress but now it has got over. Alright. So this is had been. Let us go for have been. When will you use have been? You will use it in the present tense. Only in present you will use have. Present you will use have, but been comes for been come for continuous things. See, present perfect you will use have and been comes for continuous. See, when you will use I, you, we, they. First person and second person. Only for these persons. It may be singular or plural. See, you can be taken as singular. At the same time, you can be taken as plural also. Neenu sollumbodhu it is singular. But அதே யூக்கு தான் நீங்களும் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? So it comes as plural. So I அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது it is singular. But I am in the first position. நான் முதல் பொசிஷனில் இருக்கிறதுனால I should go for have. I, see here I have given I, you, we, they. For all these four persons, we should go for have. And been comes for continuous. It is a present perfect tense and then it is used for first and second person plural, not singular children. It's used for plural. We don't know whether you is singular or you is plural. நிறைய பேரை சொல்லும்போது யூன்னு தான் சொல்லுவோம், ஒருத்தரை சொல்லும்போது யூன்னு தான் சொல்லுவோம். You come here, said the teacher. You people start writing, said the teacher. So the teacher is telling the whole class. So அந்த யூன்றது வந்து சிங்குலராகவும் இருக்கலாம், pluralaகவும் இருக்கலாம். We don't know. So at that time it comes along with have been. Now let us go for some other definition. It started in the past, the same thing have been. It started in the past and continues in the present. See, for past perfect, what I told you all, it started in the past, it continued in the present and it got over, I said. But here it is not getting over, it is just continuing again. Alright. Now, one more explanation. Sometimes what will happen, this have been is used to indicate a completed action. You can ask me, Miss, you told that only had been will come for completed action. Yes, dear. See, had been will come for an action which started in the past and got completed. Another work has started. But even for have been, we will be having like that. But it is not coming often, it is very rare. See the sentence, I have been to Japan. I went to Japan when? A few times. கொஞ்ச நாள், சில சமயம், சில நாள், சில நேரம் நான் அங்கே ஜப்பானுக்கு போயிருக்கேன் அப்படின்றதுக்கு தான் you are using have been. So, at that time this is called as present perfect. Now, let us go for has been. Has been, you all know, it will come for present tense only. It is not for past tense. Have and has comes for present tense, but has comes for singular. That is he, she, it. Right? It comes in present perfect tense. You all know what is present perfect. Have, has, had is perfect. Whether it is had means past perfect, have and has present perfect. But been comes for continuous tense. Everyone knows it. So, even has, it started in the past and just continues in the present. For that you will use has. Same like have. Have we use for I, you, we, they, and has we are using for he, she, it. That is third person. Alright? And then sometimes it is also used to indicate a completed action. See, I told you here, I have been to Japan. நான் ஜப்பான் போயிருக்கேன், சில சமயம் நான் போயிருக்கேன், சில நாள் போயிருக்கேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி I have been சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, because the action got completed. Now, when I am telling now, the action has got completed அப்படின்னு நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, அதே மாதிரி he, she, itக்கும் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். She has been to, see, I have தான் she has போட்டிருக்கேன். She has been to Japan a few times. So, it is not getting continued. நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்கம்மா, it is not getting continued. Once again I will say you, had been எப்போ வரும்னா, it will come for past participle. Right? Have been and has been will come for present participle. I, you, we, they will come for, will just get have, and he, she, it will get has. And this is what I want to tell you children today, and I will just come with some other upload in my next class. Thank you.